It's a pata.
Happy Friday! Oh, it's okay. Why you cry? Hey, you wanna talk to Mama, love? Good morning, my love.
Pink.
Good morning, my princess. Yes.
This one pink.
Yep, it's pink.
This is pink and that's pink.
Good morning, baby. Follow the camera. Follow the camera. Hello, my love. Good girl. Indie girl. Beautiful girl.
It's yours, Mama.
Huh?
It's yours.
It's mine.
Yes.
Oh, which one's mine? That one?
Mommy.
It's a button for mommy.
Everyone's in the white.
Help you?
Mama. Mama.
Do you want a photo? Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Photo time. Smile. Show your superheroes. Kiss Mama. You funny boy. Look. You wanna see? You're making funny face, silly boy. Send it to Daddy.
Daddy.
Send it to Daddy.
Daddy.
Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
This one or this one?
This one.
This one?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, baby.
This Mommy.
I love your superhero.
You're beautiful, but he was funny. Daddy.
Sorry, Kuya. Sorry, Kuya. She wants to say sorry. Say hello, Kuya. I want a kiss. She wants to kiss. Kiss.
No.
Napaka-arte.
Oh, no.
She wants to kiss you.
No.
Nagduay si Indy ba?
Yeah.
Tapos may meron sa floor. Ang arte-arte nitong isa.
I my eye, man.
Hello, look at Indy. Can you wipe her?
No, Mom.
Why?
I like
You don't like it?
but this Mom.
Napaka-arte mo,
This
boy.
Mommy. Yes.
Look, Indy is clean. Indy's clean. Kiss, kiss. She's clean. Kiss. She wants to kiss you.
No. Mama.
Relax ka dito, Baba, ha? So, mommy can get ready.
Mama.
Hey, girl. Beautiful.
This carrot.
He loves it.
I love you.
I love my baby girl.
I
Ready lang ako. Nakabihis na ako eh. Nagbihis ako kanina before ako bumaba kasi ang aga ko nagising.
Maybe
Okay, Arlo, change your clothes. Okay, come on, let's change your clothes so we can go play sports.
I don't.
Yeah. What are you gonna play today? Do you know?
My socks. I put my socks. Whoa, funny.
It's alright, Indy. I'll change your clothes over.
It's okay. I will see you. I made my socks.
Yeah.
I made my socks, Eddie.
Yeah.
Eddie.
Show Indy your socks.
Hey, Eddie. It's my socks.
Arlo, drink your milk here.
I didn't get my socks. That's my shoes, Mommy.
Your shoes. Okay, your shoes.
Iron Man! Hey!
Guys, let's go to our usual Friday morning ganap. So this week, Arlo's gonna be playing rugby. Are you gonna play rugby, Arlo?
Yeah, Mom.
Whoa, so cool.
I got my hook.
You got your hook?
I got my feather.
It looks gloomy, but it's really hot outside. It's 27 degrees today.
Christmas.
Christmas! Yay! Oh my gosh, we have to drive you guys around so we can see Christmas decorations.
Yeah, Mom.
Yes, baby. Are you excited, Arlo? Are you
Yeah.
excited to play rugby?
Yeah, Mama.
Yay! You so happy?
Yeah, Mommy.
That's good, Arlo.
I play my superhero.
Oh, you're playing with your superhero. You love superheroes too.
Yes. I play my toys, Mom.
Your cars too. Oh, wow. Cars and superheroes?
What's Hulk?
Where's Hulk?
That's Hulk.
You have Hulk?
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, wow.
Thanos.
You have him?
Thanos.
There he is.
It's a big muscles, Mom.
What?
A big muscle.
Big muscles,
It's
yes.
a big muscles too, Mom.
I have big muscles too?
I did big muscles, Mom.
You have big muscles, yeah. Arlo has?
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control.
Put it back and kick it. Arlo, go. Go, Arlo, go. Go to the ball and kick it. That was a small kick. Go throw again. Ready? No. Ready, go. Push your daddy. No, not that one. Oh my gosh. I'm looking. Alright, come on, hurry up, throw.
I can see you, Mom. I can see you, Mom.
You can see me? Come on.
I can see that, Mom.
Big one. Throw. Tapos na kami doon, guys. We're driving back home, but I think liliko ako papuntang Target. Kasi dala-dala ko yung gusto kong i-return, matagal na. Hindi ko ma-return kasi wala akong oras. But I think I have time today. Arlo's not sleeping yet. So we will try. Kasi si Indy tulog. I'll just keep her in the capsule and then put her in the pram. And hawak-hawak lang natin si Arlo. Maglalakad yun si Arlo. Arlo, are you sleeping? Yeah, that's good. Don't sleep yet, mate. Don't sleep yet, Arlo. We'll go to Target quickly. We'll just return something, mate. Is that okay with you, Arlo?
No.
No? Ang ganda tingnan. Paskong Pasko. Christmas! Christmas cookie! Oh, wow. A lot of Christmas stuff, Arlo. Yummy?
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah. Oh, nice pajamas. Look.
No.
Do you like the white Santa?
No.
Look. Can you see?
There's money.
Yes, please put it back. Can you pick it up, please, and put it back?
Can you help me, Mom?
I can help you, but can you do it first? Pick it up.
Oh,
Pick it up and put it back after you eat, okay?
I want more, Mom.
More?
More.
5 to 8. Maling size pala talaga yung nakuha ko sa Kmart. Dito ko na lang bilhin, tapos ibalik ko yung sa Kmart.
More, Mom.
More? Okay. I'm just looking for socks na white lang yung nakikita. Ito. Kasi yung kay Ayla, apaka-colorful yung mga socks niya, guys. Alright, so this is for ages 3 to 5. How about 2 to 5? Meron bang 2 to 5 na size dyan? 5 to 8. Para sana kay Arlo na at saka kay Ayla. What is it? Spider-Man! Oh yeah, let's look for training briefs.
Mom.
It's Ayla's. This, I found this. This is perfect. Ano siya? 2 to 4 ang size. So, pwede kay Arlo at saka kay Ayla. Nandun na siya. Papunta na siya sa toys. Arlo! Where are you going? Oh, we don't need that one. Come back here. Look for your undies. Undies. Buti na lang. Bait-bait nito. Buyag-buyag-buyag. Na-return ko na eh. Ito yung binili ko. Asa na yun? Nakita ko kanina. Ano siya? Swimwear ba? Na hindi kasya kay Ayla. So, na-return ko. $18 din kasi yun. Come here, hello. Let's look for undies for you. Who is it?
It's Pikachu.
It's Pikachu.
It's Aya.
Oh, that's Ayla's. Wala dito. Merong training undies sa Kmart. Kaya lang puro man ito mga Target na brand ata. Ano na kasi sila eh. Nag-merge na kasi ang Kmart at saka Target. So may mga Kmart stuff na din dito. Kaya lang wala yung hinahanap
It's
ko.
me, Mom.
Huh?
Yes, it's me, Mom.
Is that for you?
Yeah, Mom.
Nakita ko dun sa Kmart kahapon. Kaya lang walang size ni Arlo. Alright, let's go. Okay pa ba kayo dyan, guys? Iniiwan ko lang kayo sa car. Apakainit! My goodness, Adelaide, apakainit! Alright. Oh my gosh, Indy was really good, guys. Really good. Natulog lang siya sa capsule niya. Thank you, Baba. Yun talaga yung ano eh. Kinakatakutan ko kapag umaalis, kapag nagwawala. Tapos may dala pa akong isa. But Arlo was good. Binibigyan ko lang siya ng snack.
Oh my God.
And then, Indy was good. Natulog lang siya the whole time. Nilagay ko lang siya sa capsule kasi alam ko hindi ako magtatagal. But I did try clothes. Wala naman akong planong bumili. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-try. Para lang matry ba na meron akong 2 bata. Tapos nakapag-try yun pa naman ako. Wala na akong binili yung socks lang ng kids. Because again, we want to get rid of a lot of stuff. Pagdating natin ng bahay, declutter na naman tayo. You and me belong together. Drive lang tayo hanggang makatulog si Dudong para pagdating ng bahay, marami na naman tayong magawa. Kasi kapag tulog yung dalawa, ang dami-dami nating nagagawa at ang bilis-bilis pa ng mga pangyayari. Ngayon na 3 na yung anak ko, oh my gosh, kapag nagka-free time ako, ang dami-dami ko nagagawa, guys. Tapos ang bilis-bilis ko natatapos sa mga ginagawa ko. Tapos parang naisip ko, oh my gosh, anytime magigising yung isa, alam mo yun? And hindi ko ito magagawa, so mas mabilis ako ngayon. Sabi ni Indy, inuubos niyo talaga yung pasensya ko ha. Inuubos niyo talaga ako ha. Kanina pa ako very good. Dun sa ano ni Arlo, sa sports ni Arlo, kinailangan ko siyang i-carry halfway. Hindi siya natutulog sa bassinet. Siguro kapag inano ko yun, sinwadol ko yun, magigising, matutulog yun. Kaya lang mainit kasi. So ayoko siyang iswadol. Nasa swadol ko siya sa loob ng bahay kasi yung bahay namin apakalamig. Pero pag nasa labas, ang init. So kanina sa Target, okay lang siya. Kahit nasa capsule siya. Kasi malamig sa shop. Ay, hindi naman malamig, but hindi mainit ba? Kasi naka-AC yung shop. Pero dun sa sports kanina, hindi masyado.
Not this time. Don't wash out soap this time. Don't wash it in soap.
Okay. Is that you? Aww.
Fight, Nanny.
Communication skills are right.
Yeah.
Why? Fight, raw, fight, raw.
Ayla, let her talk to Puppy. She's talking to Puppy.
He said, rah, rah, rah.
Ayla.
Big sister.
You killed both of them. They're dead. They're gone. You won. You won. You won.
Is that yours, Mom? Is it yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Is it Mommy's?
Yeah.
It's a tap, Mom. If you ever can't cook only donuts, not children.
What?
Oh
my gosh. Put it there on the bench. Yeah, thank you.
Mickey Mouse! I love this one. I love the Disney Channel. Who's that? My glasses, Mom. My glasses. That's my glasses. My
Don't cry, please.
My glasses. My glasses. Where's mine and Mommy?
That's right.
That's mine. My glasses. Mine. Yeah, mine there. My glasses. It's too big. Help me. Help
Pick it up, pick it up. That's it.
Mommy, I'm taking so long. Help me. Mom, I'm taking the stupid. Help me, Mom. They're right for me. Help me, Mom.
Uh-oh, that is falling. Oh, shit, Mom. Give me the phone.
You help me, Mom.
Thank you.
You help me, Mom. You help me.
Hello?
You help me, Mom. You help me. Mommy, you help me, Mom. You help me. Let me help you. Let me help you, right?
Okay, let me check. Do we have enough cheese?
I can get cheese. I was getting cheese and avocado. We got.
It doesn't fit.
Do you need tomato or not really?
I've got a small tomato here.
Can you
Okay,
say
fine.
me?
I'll just get avocado and cheese.
Oh, if you want olives, we run out of olives.
Mom,
Just grab a jar so you can
help
keep
me.
it.
Help me. Help me.
No worries. I'll
I
get
just
it.
told you. Mom, you help me.
Okay, wait. Let me just grab. There's no more glasses here.
You help me. One day I saw my big. I saw my mommy. You help
Okay,
me.
this is.
You help me. You help me. If I saw me get one. Help me.
Ay, nakaka-drain kayo mga kids. Grabe.
Let me see what's.
Yung ganitong edad, yung napaka... Ay, my gosh. Mas okay pa si Indy. Itong dalawang to talaga. Si Arlo, na tapon niya yung pasta, guys. So, there were pasta everywhere. Kakalinis lang ni Kuya. Tapos ilang beses na ako nag-vacuum. Wala pa. Hindi pa nga dumidilim. Nakailang beses vacuum na ako kasi ang dumi-dumi ng bahay. Pag sila kumakain, ang kalat-kalat.
And guys, I started cleaning up. See mine?
You started cleaning up. You helped me?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I actually did.
You want it so hard because it's not yours.
It's messy. I want more. No, it's mine. It's mine, Mommy. No. See, it's mine.
I'm just cooking their dinner. Daddy's coming home with our dinner. Gusto ko yung pasta na yung gustong-gusto ko na ready-made na, i-oven na lang. Wala, hindi available. Ano ba yan? Gustong-gusto ko yun. Nag-crave ako. So, I'll make salad. Tapos, yeah. Ay, nako. 5:37 pa lang, pero wala na. Ano na yung battery ko? 5% na lang natitira ang battery ko. Yung pasensya ko din. Ang dami pa dun guys, hindi ko na maabot kasi hindi. Gamitin ko yung mahabang stool. Gusto ko nang ilagay sa case pero feeling ko kukulangin. Parang ang dami nito. Unless I get rid of some.
Daddy's back.
Daddy's back.
Daddy.
Oh my gosh.
Today I have a new friend.
These kids.
Today I have a new friend. We can sing and
You got a new friend?
we can sing Daddy. Wait, that's this. See? This is yours.
Can you help me open
This
please?
is yours, Dad.
Okay, what's it for?
This
I
is
love
yours, Dad. This is yours. Daddy, this is yours, Mommy.
Ay, thank you Lord. Nakakapagpahinga-pahinga ng konti. Kasi yung mga bata nandun kay Dan. Oh, I love feta cheese. Feta cheese for salad tonight. Thank you Lord ka pa. May isa ka pa palang anak. I can hear Indy. She's awake. Ay. Tapos hindi pa yan magtatapos ngayon kasi akala mo after ng lahat ng to makakapagpahinga ka na, kapag humiga ka na, ganun, matutulog ka na. No. Because you have a newborn. Magigising pa siya ng madaling araw para kumain. But it's okay. I'm not complaining. It's just that may mga araw lang talaga na sobrang nakakapagod. Siguro kasi today, inisip ko, my gosh, ang linis ng bahay and I felt really good kasi kakatapasan maglinis ni Kuya. And then sumakit bigla yung ulo ko nung pagdating ni Ayla, ang gulo-gulo agad. Ang gulo-gulo agad. Tapos ilang beses na agad ako naglinis. Tapos ngayon, kakalinis ko lang. Nakalap naman. So kasalanan ko din kasi pinapagod ko din sarili ko. Hindi ko naman kailangan maglinis ng maglinis. But sus, kagwapa, buyag-buyag. Ay, sus, kagwapaan ang akong buyag ng Indy. Kagwapaan ang akong buyag-buyag ng Indy. Uy, gara man ay. Buyag, yan ni Bobby, uy.
Hey, buddy.
Hello. I'm Indy. I look like my daddy.